Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video I am going to unbox this smart lithium battery charger from Amazon. Is with a brand called WISSBLUE, W-I-S-S Blue, and it has a capacity for 4 batteries at the same time, and it supports nickel metal hydride and nickel cadmium batteries also. And these are the specs. Alright, so let's get onto it. Okay, so it has a manual. Manual is in English. Looks like it's pretty easy to read, self-explanatory. Have notice, kind of like warnings, do not do this and that, and diagram again. Yeah, it looks pretty self-explanatory. Okay, the product itself comes in a cloth bag here, and inside it here is the charger. Alright, so it looks pretty large. And it comes with a micro USB cable, and that's it. There's nothing else. It does not come with an AC adapter or cable that allows you to plug directly to power, to electricity. So you have to plug it into your own USB adapter or USB charger. So it takes a regular USB plug, and so I'm going to go ahead and plug that in to my USB adapter, and let's plug this in to here. By the way, if you like this product after my review, I'm going to put the link in the description where you can buy it from Amazon. I would appreciate if you use my link to buy it. It helps support my channel and for me to do more reviews. Alright, so let's get started. Looks like it's powered up. I just plugged it in, and I have a few 18650 lithium batteries here, and I'm gonna probably have a couple of what do you call it, regular nickel cadmium batteries or nickel metal hydride, and we're gonna do some tests, and let's see what these button does. Okay, it looks like this is speed. Okay, and this is not sure what. Alright, so let's pop in to see how these things fit. These are different sizes, by the way. The blue one right here is from a I think this is from a Streamlight battery, flashlight, I'm sorry, not battery, and that's very tall, so it's still considered 18650, but it's a tall 18650 because it has a, I think, a charging port somewhere here. Let me see. No, it does not, but I don't know why it's so damn tall. Yeah, anyway. Alright, let's see if this fits. Alright, so one thing that I like about this, I have a an older battery charger, and this thing has always been kind of like sticky, so it's hard to pull down. This one just gives enough pressure, and I think that that spring there is just a good amount of pressure. The one that I had before is just has so much pressure, just so hard. And look at this. This is pretty nice. Let me see if I can zoom in and to show you what I see here. Let me see if I can readjust the light a little bit. There you go. Alright, so let's see what we're looking at here. It says lithium ion, 4.2 volt. This is a 3.7 volt battery, and I think it's indicating that it has before it switches, it probably indicates that it has like 1 minute left. I think 99% charge, 4.2 volt, and then I don't know what that 6 mAh means. Maybe like 6 milliamp more to go. Yeah. So that's what's going on there. Let's pop in another one. All right. So now I'm kind of confused. How do you switch between them? So I see that there's this indicator here. It says 2. Okay, there you go. So this switches, button C switches from 1 to 2. And I'm at 2. This one is also fully charged, or almost fully charged, 94%. Over here we switch to 1, it's 99%, 96%. So this is getting up there really quickly. Alright, so let's pop in my third one. I'm not sure these are charged. Okay, this one is 88% at number 3. And it's climbing up. Alright, and this is my newest Trustfire battery. Is also a lithium battery, same voltage, 3.7. It's the 14500 battery, which is a direct replacement size wise for AA. So let's pop this in. All right, this one needs to be charged, 25%. Okay, so now that we have all the batteries in, you can tell that they're all charging all at the same time. That's almost done. Number 2 is also almost done. Number 3 is again almost done. And number 4 is at 25%. All of them showing 1 minute left. No, actually the first one now is 3 minutes left, 2 minutes left, 1 minute. Actually it's not left. I'm sorry. So that number, that timer there is how long it has been charging. That's 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, and 1 minute. Okay. So I'm going to remove this guy right here and then replace it with a nickel metal hydride and nickel cadmium and see what happens. Okay, I don't have any nickel cadmium batteries anymore. That's kind of like old chemistry. So I'm going to remove this guy. The number 1 position is at 99%. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. And I'm going to replace it with this EBL battery that is a AA. And it claims to be lithium, but it's only 1.5 volt. So let's give it a try and see what happens. See what it recognizes at. It recognizes that nickel metal hydride or nickel cadmium, even though it says lithium. Yeah. And it's showing 0% and 0.93 volt. So that's not doing well. So let's see if it's able to charge that. Okay, so let's switch to number 2. This is at 4 minutes, 99% for this Optronic battery that I had a while. And so let's put that aside, and then I'm going to put in another EBL battery, but this one is 2800 mAh nickel metal hydride for sure, because that's what it says here. And let's pop this in. All right, number 2, 0.92 volt, 0% also, and we'll just leave that to see if that starts charging. Okay, that immediately went up in voltage, but this one is not doing well at all. It's not even going up in voltage. This one is going up. Yeah, okay, well, we'll leave it for a while and see what happens. All right, so let's go to number 3. This is at 92%, and I'm still going to take it out. I'm going to test out this AAA nickel metal hydride by EBL also. So let's take that out and pop this in. All right, so this one, it is 0% at 0.91 and it's going to 0.92, etc. So we're gonna let that charge, and I'm gonna do something to test this, how good this charger is. I am going to take this guy out, number 4, which is at 75% right now and 1.4 volt. I'm gonna take this guy out, and I'm gonna on purpose flip it backward to see if it has load protection. And this is kind of dangerous because this is lithium, but I have faith that this thing is not going to make this battery explode. So let's flip it to number 4. It's not even doing anything. It doesn't even detect that it's there. All right, so that's good. That's a good sign that it has a short circuit protection or polarity difference protection. So that's good. All right, so that works. Like, we flip it back, put it in, and it immediately jumped to number 4, 3.6 volt. Well, actually, it just jumped to number 1 by itself. What's going on there? All right, so it's 3.62. It just jumped to number 1 again. What the heck? Does it automatically rotate or something? It goes number 1, number 2, number 1. What the heck is that about? Okay. Number 2, number 1. So I can force it to go to whichever number it is, but then it's going to switch by itself to number 1. You know what? Maybe because number 1 is screwed up. Because number 1 right now is still showing 0%. So let's take out number 1 and see if it's jumpy with number 1 out of the picture. Yeah. So now that we took out the this crazy lithium battery, I don't think this is rechargeable. That's probably what it is. Yeah, so this is lithium battery AA that is not rechargeable. That's why it's going crazy. So I'm gonna throw this away. All right, so I'm gonna put this guy back at position 1 because I remember this one needs to be charged a little bit more. Yep, it's at 91%. So let's cycle through and then let's learn what the A button is supposed to do. So I'm at number 1, 93%. Okay, so it looks like when I press A, it switches between the rate, half amp, 1 amp, or 2 amp charging. So I'm charging right now at 2 amp, and I guess that's the speed of how fast you're charging. Yeah, right now it's showing 99% right away. I guess we're almost done. Okay, so this is pretty easy to use and pretty well made. I mean, I don't know how long it's gonna last, but my previous battery charger kind of just lasts. Yeah, so I don't see why this one won't last. All right, I don't think there's anything else. Let me just show you what it looks like on Amazon, and we can conclude this video. Alright, so I purchased this from Amazon, like I said. It is only $18.99. That is cheap. And I mean, it's worth every penny for $18.99. I'm going to put in a link in the description, like I said, and also in the first comment. If you would like to buy this charger, please use my link. It does support my channel. I will appreciate it very much. And if you have any question about this review, any question about this product, I'll be more than happy to answer. Please leave your comment in the bottom, in the description, in the comment section. And yeah, so I hope you find this video useful. If you don't, if I suck, please let me know in the comment also. Yeah, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.